Starting a business begins with an idea. This is the seed from which everything grows. Think about problems you can solve or needs you can fulfill. What gets you excited? What are you passionate about? Let's say you love baking. You could turn that passion into a business. Maybe you specialize in custom cakes or offer a delivery service for fresh pastries. The key is to find an idea that resonates with you and has the potential to connect with customers. Remember, you're going to be spending a lot of time on this business. Make sure it's something you believe in. It doesn't have to be revolutionary, just something that solves a problem or improves people's lives. Once you have that spark, you're ready to move to the next step. Now that you have your idea, it's time to do your homework. Market research is crucial. This means understanding your target audience. Who are they? What are their needs and wants? Think about your cake business. Who are your ideal customers? Are they busy professionals looking for a quick dessert fix? Or are they parents seeking custom cakes for birthday parties? Once you know who you're selling to, you can tailor your products and marketing accordingly. Research your competition. What are they doing well? What could they be doing better? This information helps you find your niche and stand out in the market. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your customers and competitors, the better equipped you'll be to succeed. A business plan is your roadmap. It outlines your goals, strategies, and how you plan to achieve them. Think of it as a GPS guiding you towards success. A good business plan should include an executive summary, a company description, a market analysis, a description of your products or services, your marketing and sales strategy, and your financial projections. Don't be afraid to adjust your plan as you go. The market is constantly changing, and you need to be flexible to keep up. Remember, a business plan is a living document. Review and update it regularly to reflect your progress and any changes in the market. Section 4. Dotting the I's and crossing the T's, legal essentials. Starting a business involves, well, legal steps. You need to choose a business structure, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Each has different legal and tax implications. Make sure you obtain the necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. These vary depending on your industry and location. Consult with a legal professional to ensure you're compliant with all regulations. Protecting your intellectual property is also crucial. This includes trademarks, copyrights, and patents. Don't overlook these legal aspects. They provide a strong foundation for your business and protect you from potential issues down the road. Section 5. Show me the money funding your startup. Starting a business requires capital. You'll need money for inventory, equipment, marketing, and more. Explore funding options like bootstrapping, loans, grants, or investors. Bootstrapping means funding your business yourself. Loans offer borrowed capital with interest. Grants provide free money for specific purposes. Investors offer capital in exchange for equity in your company. Choose the funding option that aligns with your needs and risk tolerance. Don't be afraid to seek help from financial advisors. They can guide you towards the best financial strategy for your business. Section 6. Building your brand. From logo to launch. Your brand is your identity. It's how customers perceive your business. Create a memorable logo, a professional website, and engaging social media content. Your logo should be visually appealing and represent your brand's personality. Your website should be easy to navigate and provide valuable information about your products or services. Social media is a powerful tool to connect with customers and build relationships. Consistency is key. Use the same logo, colors, and messaging across all platforms. This creates a cohesive brand identity that customers will recognize and trust. Remember, first impressions matter. Make sure your brand makes a positive and lasting impact.